Hello everyone, my name's Chris. I want to show you today my custom game engine. I've been working on this game engine since about 2012 and I'm sorry, 2010, and it's gone through lots of iterations. So I originally started with DirectX 10 and I've moved to DirectX 12. It's written in C++. It's written by scratch by one person, me, with a lot of help from the internet community and some of the open source community that's out there. But really, the amount of work it takes for one person to do this is just tremendous. And I've made several games really as test beds for different parts of the engine. Believe it or not, the main work is not the graphics. A lot of people think of games, you think of the graphics, but making an engine is a lot of graphics, but it's a lot of, the audio, but the plumbing behind it and the geometry, loading, saving different file formats that you need for both animation and sounds and 3D geometry, 2D geometry, your units, the details behind it, and databases, how you handle data structures and process flow, AI logic. It's just so much, it's overwhelming. I could go on for a long time. The math is very complicated. But I'm a mechanical engineer. I really enjoy this. This is a simulator. It's much more than just a game engine. It simulates mass, acceleration, velocity, everything, a physical a presence about these objects within the game. So what I'm going to do, this is a model viewer that I've written. It's one of my test applications. The game I'm going to do is start to put all this together into one game centered around the United States Marine Corps. This is the USS America that I purchased for a few $100s. It's a package. It comes with lots of models on it. What I'm going to do is take those models apart, break them into their pieces, animate them, make them movable, save them, and then I built this app to kind of demonstrate what I've been doing and show that off to you. And then what I'd like to do is make a series of videos, show you these different models as I put them into the game, and then fully functioning in the game where you can interact with them. And this game is going to be a real-time strategy game. The USS America is one of our newest mini aircraft carriers, and I think you're really going to enjoy this, especially if you like real-time strategy game, but a fan of the military or a fan of our technologies. This will be a great showcase for my game engine. So with that, we introduce the MV-22 Osprey. Mainly serves the United States Marine Corps. I have it here fully animated within my game engine. I have this set up so I can show you different views of it. You can zoom in, see the front. Now my color scheme, you may not be a big fan of the background. Right now I basically have a simple skybox to show this off. And if I would zoom around, you can see that it's just 6 textures that I've colored differently, different shades of yellow, blue, and green. So I can tell which direction I'm facing. And then I've got buttons just to orientate the camera towards 0 from those different facings. Yeah, this is get a good look at the Osprey there from the bottom, the back of it. I have my model oriented north, so what I call front is not camera facing. And get a good look at this. Now I'm going to stop this application for a second. I'm going to run it again, and you're going to see it moved too quick. I actually had these rotate from the top position down to the bottom position. It's a little difficult to show. I'm using the game bar just to record this short video clip. And what happens is when I exit the application, it automatically stops recording because the application closed. But when I start the application, it goes through loading models, and then it starts this in an upright position and rotates it down into a flight mode position. So I'll try in the future maybe do another video where I can show that a little bit better. Maybe inside the game, you get your first preview of that. What's really neat about the Osprey, and I really love, especially as an engineer, is the mechanics of this. It actually is a helicopter and an aircraft. Go to the Wikipedia page. There's a lot of great information about it. If you like this kind of video, if you want to see my game engine and this game progress, hit the like button below, and I'll make more videos. Thank you.